So you've got to do a bit of prep before you grill. So I've got the dustpan and brush out. I'm doing a bit of tidying up. Then I'm going to rub the grill with some vegetable oil, super thin layer, just to keep on top of it. So I've built a little crisscross tower, some kindling in there, got an egg box and some lint, you know, from the dryer. Hopefully used to get this fire started. Can this work? One match on the egg cup. Stay tuned. So far the answer is yes. We are go. It's still going, so it's a positive sign, I think. Now, just see how we get on. So I've got a feeling I didn't have enough kindling, but I've got some discs, pucks if you will, that I use for the uni pizza oven. So I've just broken off a couple of discs or so and added them as my kindling. These burn really hot, so I'm hoping they will keep the dream alive. We are getting there, as you can see, we are getting there. Just trying to keep that core super hot. This wood is super dense, and it's a bit of a struggle to burn, but once that core's raging, I'm hoping we'll carry on and get those embers we need. I'm going to get the chicken out soon just to bring to room temp. It's only really had a couple of hours marination max, which is not ideal, but the actual marinating sauce took longer than I'd hoped. But I'll keep that in mind next time. It's all a learning curve. Little status update. Yeah, it did take hold, and the embers are coming along nicely. One of the things I've noticed is it's good to like move the wood around as it burns, and yeah, I'm just trying to light the logs in the ember box. Hopefully place them at the back there, and hopefully they'll catch light from underneath. Yeah, so I've just moved them up to the back there, and that's working a treat. As you can see, getting some good embers there. We're well on our way to getting ready for cooking the Nando's. Well, peri chicken. Well, we're getting there. We are getting there. As you can see, I've got a nice bed of embers. I'll put some spuds in when I get them started. Put them at the periphery, at the edges there. So I just want them to slowly cook. The back box is burning, as you can see. So we've got embers being created there as well. I've got the chicken out, I'm just getting that to room temp. And it's probably going to be a later tea than planned, but a great experience all the same. Just hope the kids can hold on. So I'm going to do corn on the cob two ways. One, I'm going to wrap in foil, bit of butter, salt and pepper. And the others, I'm just going to go in on their own on the grill and see how they fare. As a comparison really, just to see if one's better than the other. I suspect they both have their own merits, one being a little bit charred, cooked on the grill with all the smoke and all that good stuff, and the other one with the butter and what have you seasoned inside will have well, we'll see I'm going to speculate already. Let's get this wrapped up and check on the fire. Oh, this is coming on really nice now. There's some nice heat coming off that, so I'm going to get the grill grates on and try and work out what a good medium temperature is. It's probably going to be quite high, to be fair, because yeah, it's red hot. So with the charcoal bed almost perfectly ready, I'm going to put the grill grates on I'm going to use the winch. I don't think you can do it whilst it's on there. You have to lift up the lever there and lower it. We're looking probably a little lower than this for medium heat. I'm going to lower the bed now just to heat them up and get it so it's ready to sizzle. So it's showtime. I've decanted the chicken. I've got the meter probe in there. I'm going to get it around the barbie and the meter probe on. Here goes nothing, guys. Wish me luck. We're on. We're sizzling. Let's just hope we can get this cook off successfully. Just a little update of where we're up to. Sizzling away nicely. Spuds are in. I might give them a turn. I'm hoping it's not going to rain. Flamini clouds around. Heater's on. Reckons 30 minutes. We'll see about that. I'll certainly be probing it all over. I don't want any aggravation with chicken, that's for sure. So, I've got about 20 minutes left. I think I'm going to... I've just painted this side with Nando sauce. I did put another log on, but that isn't catching. I'm going to turn the spuds. Might even put the corn directly on the coals at the back there and see what happens. The aromatics, guys, is unreal. Unreal. Smells amazing. Well, we're deep into the cook now. Both sides have had a basting. It's smelling absolutely incredible. I'm not too sure these guys are going to be cooked, but I'm pretty sure these will. Starting to get a little dark now. I'm really hoping it'll be finished before it does. With all the flipping I've done, these legs are just about keeping intact, so it's not too bad if they fall off. It just means I'll be able to cook them separate, which might not be a bad thing, you know. Happy days. Well, we're still going. It is getting late. It's 6:15. The wood's still going at the back there for what it's worth. We are 67 degrees internal. That's on the breast. Hoping the weather will hold out. It smells absolutely incredible. Spuds have moved around. These guys, not too sure if they're going to come through. Might swap in for these. So, with light fading, I've decided to finish the chicken in the oven, and to be fair, it's probably the right thing to do, and I think in future I'm probably going to cook it low and slow at a higher elevation for longer, and then just go in closer to the coals for the final part of the cook and get the paint on. I think that will enable a more even cook. It's not going to sort of cook too quickly on the outside, and yeah, but it's all about learning. It's first time using the grill. Not too sure about cleaning these. I think the dishwasher's safe, so If they are, I'm going to chuck them in. So now I'm just going to finish off the sweet corn. It's feeling relatively tender. Jacket spuds I've put right in the coals now, so hopefully they come good. And yeah, it's not rained, so hopefully I can get the cook finished and the ashes cooled down and covered up before it does rain. We'll see. So here they are, sweet corn. Yeah? We got some corn in there, we've got some spuds. We'll see how they are when we open them. I finished the chicken off in the oven because, well, I'm going to kill the family. Hopefully we're good. Tommy's here, say hi.
Hi, say hi, Tommy.
Emily, say hi.
Hi, we're going to do my class then.
Here we are. So yeah, we're going to open the spuds, see how they are. See if they need finishing the mic. Woof!
That's the new video.
Yeah, it's the new video.
What? Keys of butter. I love keys of butter.
So we've got the char and we've got the steam.
Can I have some keys of mine?
And then we're going to check the spuds out. Should we check the spuds out, Mum?
Yeah, spuds.
Right.
There we go, spuds.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
There's spuds, Daddy.
Spuds there.
Spuds there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I love spuds. Spuds are good.
What's the spud?
Happy birds. Happy birds.
Oh yeah, look at that. Beauty.
I like the coconut.
It's a little overdone in the oven, but happy days. I've had the obligatory wing. I've got some more sauce so I can give it a final baste in my on my plate. Yeah, happy days. Tastes great. Thomas, do you like Daddy's chicken? And here we have it, folks. We've got fake peri Nando's, or fake away if you will. Jacket, corn on the cob, sauce on the side. Let's go. It's rude to finish off, leaving the embers with nothing to do without having a marshmallow and chocolate. Let's go. I'm not going to let the heat go to waste, guys. Come on, it's an energy crisis. We have marshmallows.
Yeah.